Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item, Yale. It's called an AssureLock SL. The company did not send me this. I did purchase this myself just to be clear and transparent. And there will be a link at the bottom of the video or at the end of the video over here to purchase it. And I do get a small commission that costs you nothing. I just want to be fair and transparent about all that. So what is this? This is basically a keyless entry lock. This one is Wi-Fi enabled, auto lock, auto open, has all kinds of bells and whistles. What I wanted to do is just do an unboxing and just show you what's in the box. A lot of times, you see these online and you're just not sure what's in the box. So I want to do an opening and show you what's in here, and then subscribe to the channel, and eventually we're going to actually install this. But right now we're just doing the unboxing. So what is it? It's basically a smart lock for your home with no key, no fingerprint. Basically, it's just touch enter the code, and that's how you access it. You can use your phone to access it, your Wi-Fi to access it. You can give out codes to people. So it's really kind of cool. It works with Google, works with Alexa, and also works with Apple HomeKit. So depending on the model, so different models have different options available, Wi-Fi, non-Wi-Fi, things like that. Let's just open this up and just take a look what's in the box. This way you can just see, what you're getting into and what to expect. So the packaging is unboxing is pretty easy. You basically open up, and inside here it just says, let's get started. Paperwork in here, information. Go ahead and go through that at your leisure when you're ready. 24-hour help, how to install it, things like that. So let's just take a look at the components itself one at a time and just see what's in here. We have, first of all, let's take a look at this here. This is the access of the keypad itself. Now, I have to tell you, the construction is very, very good. Very, very beefy. A lot of metal, a lot of steel in here. I mean, this is not your standard cheap digital lock. It really feels well made, feel beefy. I love the touchpad. It does light up. It does talk. It has a lot of communication. There's all kinds of settings in here to get into all the different settings. You want it to be quiet. They want it to have silence. Really, there's a ton of features in here, but the idea behind this video is just to show you what it looks like. There's a thickness of it here. You can see it's a matte black, and they have different colors that are available as well with the kit. Let me give you a quick example. This one is the black suede. They have the oil rub bronze and also the nickel satin look. On the bottom, you'll see these two little tabs here. Now, these two little tabs are important because if your battery dies inside the system, you use a 9-volt battery to just pop on there. Basically, it temporarily charges, not charges, but actually powers the system up. So you can go in there and put in your code and have access into your home in case the batteries do fail or something happens. So that's really a good backup feature. Again, a 9-volt battery. I mean, I find that could be good or could be bad. If it doesn't work, let's say it could give someone a chance to get into your home, all you have to do is put a 9-volt battery in. I mean, so I see plus and minuses with that. I'm not really 100% really thrilled with that personally. But I mean, I guess it's a good idea. You still need a passcode to get in, but I think that's what that's for. So that's what this is. Again, stainless steel, beefy. This is not, I mean, this feels like metal. It's metal casing, but underneath this is all steel. You can just feel it's pretty heavy. Now, what else is in the box? Let's take a look here. And also a nice thing they do, they give you some batteries. I mean, I'm not sure how high quality they are. They are alkaline batteries. I'm not sure of the life expectancy or how many milliamps they are, but they do give you 4 AA batteries, which is actually really nice. Most places give you nothing, as you know. And here is the main. So before we get into the main controller, this is a module. This is the Wi-Fi module. Let me take a look. So you can see that it says Wi-Fi. You have to install this into the system to make it Wi-Fi and compatible. They have different modules. This model comes with the Wi-Fi. Some do, some don't. So depending on your model, what you choose. So depending on what you want, you pick that model that you like. That's the module. Then this is the actual. And they give you the deadbolt should be in here. Let me see what else is in here. And here is the lock itself, the main lock. Pretty beefy. Again, pretty heavy. You can see here, this is the rubber gasket here that you would put on between the door. Just make sure you have this on when you install it. Here is the actual lock mechanism. The motor's inside here. This is where you connect your ribbon cable here. Again, really easy. Just thread it right through. These are pretty simple to do. There's a ton of tutorials online on how to install these. There's a screw right here. Let's just pop that screw out and take a look inside. Okay, so I took the screw out, so let me just show you inside here. So inside here is where you have your 4 AA batteries will go here, and this is where your module goes, your module. Again, this is super easy to use. The mechanism feels pretty strong, pretty beefy. This is a button here. This is a do not disturb button. Basically, once you press this and activate this, it'll lock out. Anybody can get in. So it's almost like having a security deadbolt. Doesn't matter if someone has the code, they're not getting in. That's how this works. Pretty heavy, pretty beefy. This is not like the standard cheap plastic ones that you see online. This has a lot of weight to it, and you can see it's very well engineered. Here is the module I was telling you about. So this module will just snap into here, basically. You just pop it in there, and that is your Wi-Fi access, and that's how you use this module. So this will connect to your system to make your lock totally Wi-Fi. Another thing I wanted to show you as well is that they have this little sensor. Now, this little sensor here is important to install. What this does, once you close your door, the sensor will interact with, depending on how you install this external. This is a pretty powerful magnet. You can put it external outside the door. When you close your door like this here, it'll read that and automatically lock your door within how many seconds or instantly. You can adjust that, or you can actually install it inside the jamb by just popping this off. This little piece here comes out right here. This little tab, you just pop that right out, drill a little hole. And it gives you a little connector to put it over it, and that's how you put it inside the jamb. So those, again, there's a ton of videos online how to do that. So that's all in there as well. Again, high quality, and I'll just show you the deadbolt and the accessory package that came in the package as well. Here is the actual lock itself. Again, high quality steel core inside. You can see that. All good, all very well made. Adjustable to, I think it's 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. So you have the adjustment just by pivoting and turning this, easy enough. Mounting screws and everything's all in here in the package. Here is the strike plate, goes here, and also the couple of long screws to install your strike plate. So everything here is designed for all high security. That's what I'm seeing here, guys. Quality bolts, quality mechanisms, quality, everything is all quality. So 100% guaranteed that this is going to be very secure as someone just kicking your door down if you don't have really good reinforcements in your door. But also this here is very, 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 very well made. Again, good quality. I just wanted to just make this video and just show you what it looks like. Easy to install. Just snap this on like that. You just put the little screw in there like that. Just tap that down. And that's it. All right, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video. I really do appreciate to hear from you. Let me know. And also, I will make a video in the future how to install this. So that's what I have for you today. I just want to give you a breakdown, what's in the package, what's in the box, and these items here, I'm going to give it an A+. You know, probably it's one of the best in the market. You're going to get a decent quality, you're going to get high security, and you're going to get everything you need within your hands to feel safe. If you like this type of component, only downfall I see is this 9-volt battery thing. I'm not really sure how good that is. If people can, have unlimited access and power or whatever, or they can use that to get in and hack the system. I don't know. That's the only downfall I see with this. But other than that, looks good to me. All right, guys, leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you think, what you like, what you dislike about this. Also, if you have any questions for me, let me know. Appreciate that as well. Leave them in below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this type of video. Like I said, do get a small commission if you are interested in something like this, and it does cost you nothing. And I want to be fair and transparent. And Yale did not send me this. I purchased it myself. So Yale, if you watch this video and you want to sponsor my channel, please reach out to me. Let me know, and I'll be glad to do a full review and full unboxing of all your products. And then maybe we can just showcase the pros and cons about everything and maybe display yours. And we'll see how they work and maybe put yours up against some other smart locks out there. So that's cool. All right, let me know. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you with the next review.